Happy Wednesday. So today I slept in. I'm not even gonna lie. I slept in until like 8 o'clock. I didn't go to sleep until after 1. I don't know what my problem was, but I just could not go to sleep. I was like, I'm just gonna sleep in a little bit, and that's what I did. Right now I am reformatting the Beach Life kit, and I'm so excited about it. That's what I'm doing. I do need to edit and upload yesterday's vlog, so I need to do that at some point. I'm thinking that I might finish the Beach Life kit and then go edit and upload that. I'm just sitting here working on this and trying to get stuff done. That's where we're at today. Just sipping on my coffee and getting stuff done. Okay guys, I got the video up and now I'm just gonna continue to work on designing this kit. This is the final kit for the new releases for Friday. So hopefully I can get this done, and then I think I'm gonna print all of them. I still can't cut them because I haven't had James look at my machines yet. I mean, I could cut them, but then they might be like screwed up, and I don't really want to oops stuff that I don't have to. And yes, I could try to calibrate my machines myself, but I feel like every time I do, I get super frustrated. It makes it worse, and it's just easier to let James work on them. So yeah, once I finish designing this, I'm gonna print everything so that way I have it ready to cut whenever he gets a chance to look at it. Hopefully tonight, because I really need to take the photos and everything tomorrow so I can have everything ready for Friday. But yeah, I'm like feeling pretty good about today because I've already checked off everything on my to-do list. This kit, so technically I was going to do 3 kits and I ended up doing 4. But I was just trying to do like 1 kit a day. And so technically this one should have been tomorrow's, but I'm trying to get it done today so I can do all the photos tomorrow and listings and have everything ready to go for Friday. So that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. I'm also waiting for a package from Amazon. I ordered some books and I'm really excited because I just reread Safe Haven by Nicholas Sparks, and it got me like in this mood to read Nicholas Sparks books. And my mom is like a big Nicholas Sparks fan, so she has all the books. But when I went to visit, they had actually packed up all the books because I don't know why, something about their bookshelf, and they got rid of the bookshelves. So they packed up the books and she didn't know where they were. So I was like, well, that's a bummer. So I ended up ordering The Lucky One by Nicholas Sparks because that's the one that I really want to read. I've read it before, but I'm like, I really want to reread that one, and Dear John, and The Last Song was a good one. I've never read The Notebook, so I want to read The Notebook and The Wedding, which is the sequel to The Notebook. So yeah, there's several things that I want to read or reread, and so I ordered The Lucky One from Amazon. So I'm pretty pumped about that. And I just know when it gets here, I'm just gonna want to sit down and read and not do my work. So I'm trying to get everything done. Okay, I have successfully done everything on my to-do list for today. So I'm gonna sit here on my couch. I've got some YouTube videos playing on my TV, and I'm gonna work on my Etsy SEO today. If you guys have missed it in the past couple of vlogs, I'm trying out Marmalade. I will let you guys know what I think of it. So far, I feel like it's going well. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that and sit here, chill, watch some YouTube, and hopefully my book will show up soon. It is 2:47. I've had such a productive day. Even with like sleeping in and everything, I was still able to be productive. And I just feel really good about this week and the progress that I've made getting back on track. I don't know why it was just so hard. The past like 2 months have just been really hard, but I think with it being almost springtime, technically I feel like it's spring now, so I'm like, whatever. But with it being almost springtime, with the weather being so beautiful, it's like putting me in a much better mood, which I'm like so glad we got out of winter because it's rough. But I do feel a lot better, and I feel like I'm just being more productive and just, you know, I'm getting back to myself, which is great. So yeah, I just feel like this whole week I've been really, really productive. I've been really on it with my sticker shop. Obviously not back to it, you know, when I was like at my best, but I'm getting there, you know. And that's the important thing, is that I'm getting there, and you just don't give up on yourself when things get hard, but you just push through and know that there is an end in sight, and that there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and things are gonna be okay. And anyway, so I'm gonna work on my Etsy SEO, get that going, and I'm so excited because once I put that together with my new photos, I think that I'm gonna see like a big jump in things, and so I'm excited about that. It's here! I'm so excited. Like I said, I bought a book, and then I also bought my gel nail polish kit, so I'll probably do my nails tonight while James is working on the church video. He's got to edit it, but he also has to like film and edit a video for his channel, so it's basically like I'm gonna be alone. So yeah, I'll probably do my nails and then read my book. I'm so excited. Part of me wants to stop working and read right now, but I know I shouldn't, because I should be productive and get stuff done. But I want to read it. Like I said, I have read this one before. It's been a long time. I like read it before the movie came out, and I don't even remember when the movie came out, but like I read it before then. So then when I found out they were making it into a movie, I was really excited because I remember really liking this book. So hopefully the second read through will be really good. I also really like that I got the paperback one because my Safe Haven copy is also the paper one with the movie cover on it. I don't know. I'm just kind of like, maybe I should start my Nicholas Sparks collection with like all of the ones that have been turned into movies that have like the covers, you know. Okay guys, it is much later now. It is, what time is it? 7 o'clock, and we just got done taking a little family walk, and we had dinner, and now I am going to do something that I said I was going to do earlier but didn't. I'm going to print all the new releases. That way when James looks at my machines, then I can just go ahead tomorrow and cut everything and start taking the photos and doing all of that fun stuff. So I'm gonna set you guys up, show you guys all the printing fun, and get it done. Okay guys, so I'm just still printing stuff, but I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because I'm really just gonna be printing stuff, and James is working on all of his videos, so I think I'm gonna go read my new book. I think it's gonna happen, or also paint my nails. Do that and then read my book. But I think I'm just gonna have a chill night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as that bell notification, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another new vlog. Bye guys.